Oi lo pai te zo sin bon tawin ni ha pha tunin trigonometric sungin maximum and minimum zani ina pa na cho aba na zo maitin tuni bowling hi le maximum and minimum for maximum and minimum for sin 2m theta plus cos 2 to the power n theta na vele chun 2m 2n ke hi a power in na a power in chiki le abul lang chun sin square theta plus cos square theta a b ichi in a ball na a formula chi pi ham itile alien jo chu a minimum hijing alien jo chu maximum hijing in a tube na vele chun a ki hi in ichi a hin a power 2 2 a hijing in line vele chun 2m 2n m to n he can be any value. That means a power 2 even multiple hijing chukit le a power ki bang lo di na hin oh is condition chu hin na a formula ipiham iti phana maximum adin iti phana minimum adem ti na zani chun ipi se jebe mitile sin to cos tai lo then cot sec cosec amo ading hin maximum chu infinity hi na ahile sin to cos ading hin maximum chu infinity hitting ham hello di chu na ejinem ti level chun ichla hin a home pen 0 hin na atam pen 1 eta 90 degree atu 1 cos ayang chu value alim pen 1 chu na akutile maximum chu infinity loading maximum chu 1 di chu at what angle na suppose 0 degree la le chun la hin cos 0 degree chu 0 so ta di hela hela cos 0 degree chu 1 ta that means 0 degree nala ale 1 na muna ahile 90 degree lata 0 degree cha new pen tile 90 degree nala ale sin 90 degree chu 1 chilang hi 0 so pilata cos 0 degree chu sin 90 degree 1 cos 90 degree 0 2 hin 90 degree relation na answer to 1 to 0 degree nala le answer jong 1 90 degree nala le answer jong 1 that means maximum is 1 at theta equal to 0 degree 90 degree na 0 degree to 90 degree ahin siteni hina maximum ta ale minimum ipi angle la minimum bidang mit level chun 0 to 1 1 chalien pen 0 to neo pen na ahi le level chun alai lai ta 45 degree to neo pen ela yang level chun 0 apana 1 to alai lai ta 45 degree na minimum degree proof evolve ta ah 2012 question khat ga ko ni na question number jani 126 hi le 127 si ba hina khut leo hen Is equation in EP mu thei rem EP mu thei rem thile sila hin chi to chi ki pang m value to 1 here n value to 2 jo na a hi je a hin 2 to 4 ki so tha sila formula hai na ai lo le chi a hi le 0 degree in value EP dingam na 0 degree in sin 0 to sin 0 to 0 na 0 plus cos 0 to cos 0 to 1 0 degree or 1 na 30 degree sin 30 degree to 1 by 2 1 by 2 square to 1 by 4 plus cos 30 theta to 30 jo na cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 na root 3 by 2 a power 4 to the power 4 that means power 4 ki chile 4 times multiply to ki ni jo root 3 to 4 times nan bol kha le is te ni root 3 le root 3 to 3 ki so ding te ni 3 ki so ta na achung lang hi 9 ki so ta na 3 into 3 9 ano lang chula 2 4 times that means 16 9 by 16 na velachun ano lang LCM na la de na LCM na la ding ahin la shortcut LCM na la sa shortcut logic yang tele 4 is 16 so ta it is 16 na so ding ham into 4 bol chun 16 ki so ta na ano lang into 4 na bol le atung lang hi into 4 na bol na ano lang se ni 10 is 16 ta na atung lang 10 plus na bol ti ta ta ano lang ke ba le na 9 plus 4 to 13 by 16 ale 45 degree sin 45 degree to 45 degree n ke bang su pela jun sin to cos a value ke bang na ipiham 1 by root 2 ani ni na 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 a power 4 hile 4 times 1 by root 2 square to root hi cancel out beta na plus 1 by root 2 4 times 1 by root 2 square to 1 by 2 hile 4 times to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 ti ne ta na yeng lo daw na aji jo 1 by root 2 square to 1 by 2 jo ai la 1 by root 2 4 times to chi ni ve ki ne jo sin ni ve ki multiply ti ne jo khat ve chu 1 by 2 le ni ve chu 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 na that means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 vela jun anoi lang LCM la chu na ke la chun 2 hi 4 so idina so dingam into 2 achung to anoi chu into 2 bol chun anoi yang 4 so into achung yang 4 ki so ding anoi lang ke ba ta le LCM to 4 so ta achung lang chu 4 plus 1 5 by 4 60 degree sin 60 degree janam root 3 by 2 na root 3 by 2 square ijat ding ham root 3 square to 3 ki so ta ano lang up 2 jo na 2 square to 4 plus root 3 by 2 square to 3 by 4 ki ta na ai le sila hin root 3 to the power 4 cos 60 degree so na cos 60 degree to 1 by 2 1 by 2 to 4 times ti ne so na 1 by 2 4 times so jat ni 1 by 16 na 1 by 16 LCM na lakit na ta 4 to 16 so na ding ahin into 4 achung lang yung into 4 bol chun achung lang 12 ano lang 16 na 16 3 4 is 12 12 plus 1 13 by 16 90 degree. Sin 90 degree to 1 plus cos 90 degree to 0. Then what can we conclude from this? Now, angle output is also. Angle output is 0 degree up and to 90 degrees. Then 1 here. 1 here. Which lie angle a value from penny. Now, 0 to 1, 30 to 13 by 16. 45 degrees 5 by 4. Compare na board hichito compare board which ni open them na 10 bang compare le chon ke bang so na 13 by 16 khadang 13 by 16 30 degree to 60 degree also value ke bang ta ako tele chi ni open ni ne ke ba sa go le compare to 10 bang compare ta na compare thing ding an anui lang ke ba sa nga chuna anui lang ke ba sa in lang le chun achung lang 10 no compare thile ta anui lang ke ba na ding ahin 5 by 4 to 4 to 16 na so 16 so le chun achung lang 4 na multiply na that means anui lang 16 achung lang jata 20 vele chun sorry lain isi hello tai cho na 1 by 2 2 to 4 ki so ding ai le into 2 hila chung lang into 2 nai cho na chung lang into 2 anui lang into 2 anui lang 4 le 4 ki so ta that means 4 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3 3 by 4 na akuti le 10 ye ke ba le na ai le 45 degree 3 by 4 ta 45 degree so 3 by 4 so 10 in compare le 3 by 4 to that 16 anulang jo 16 ke so sa la chun achung lang into 4 na bol ma so na 3 4 is 12 16 la 16 ya 13 ya 12 so that means it's a value anyao zo iti chi sang en chi nyao zo sang ayang chi nyao zo there is 0 degree of 1 90 degree of 1 sang la chi nyao zo 1 sang ayang chi nyao zo ti ne jo na anui lang ale chana jo a value nyao iti suppose 2 chu ipi ke senam 2 by 1 so anui lang nyao jo na aloi na ane uja chung lang din so ale 2 by 2 chu anui lang ile sa le chun 1 ki so ta na ale le 2 by 1 ki chu 3 ki so sa le chun 1 sang an nyao jo ki 2 by 4 ki na ke khat ki 0.5 ki ta chaba nga chun anui lang ya le chana chung lang nyao so ti ja anui lang le na le chung lang nyao that means 4 to 5 degree ahin minimum ahi ti so 4 to 5 degree ahin minimum ahin ilang ahin conclusion yaw kan da sim tin ichi noi anui lang ana su khat minimum value jo 3 by 4 la na at 45 degree maximum value jo 1 na minimum value 3 by 4 maximum value 1 iti most should have point previous year question so ayo tena question kali set na atile arrange 3 by 4 to 1 so arrange pen na kita na ahile hichla hin he di khat chu a question hin sin to cos ko mana a power hi even power hi ding chikile a power ki ba ki lo wa hile what you have to do ne he di khat chu minimum will be at 45 degree maximum will be at 0 degree or 90 degree chu ne mi chi na na ahile apply ga bol ta ke na slide concept si chu maximum value of sin 4 cos 6 sin to cos khom a power even power hi ki bang lo na atile maximum value si bidding 180 so na ale equation ipn ga ba sei tale at 0 degree or 90 degree so na find the minimum value of sin 4 cos square it's hila minimum ki tong ta na minimum value chu it will be minimum at 45 degree so na aku tile theta to 45 degree angle 45 degree is chun sin 45 degree to 1 by root 2 4 plus cos 45 to 1 by root 2 power 2 square 1 by root 2 to the power 4 that means anu lang root 2 with 4 times ung iti ni chun root 2 ni chun 2 aso so na iti ne chu root 2 ni hin 2 khat so ni hin 2 khat so kila 2 into 2 chu 4 ta na anu lang chu 4 ta chu plus 1 by root 2 square root 2 hi ni ve iti ne chu ni chun 2 aso chu na aku tile 1 by 2 ale khalanga 4 om le khalanga 2 om le 2 chu 4 so le chun into 2 achung lang into 2 na anu lang chu 4 ki so ta that means LCM chu 4 achung lang hila 2 plus 1 3 by 4 na minimum value chu 3 by 4 ta chila sin 4 cos 6 minimum value ipi ham 3 by 4 ma mai chu as is in a metile azoing sita na minimum will be at 45 degree arrange su 3 by 4 to 1 iti na check ball iti ila yang ini put theta equal to 45 degree sin 45 degree to 1 by root 2 to the power 4 1 by root 2 to the power 6 na let us check 1 by root to the power 4 chu lai chu izat muta to the power 4 chu 1 by 4 so na plus 1 by root 2 to the power 6 to the power 4 to 1 by 4 ya na ale 6 hi le to the power 2 ni ki wa ti ne chu ni hi le root 2 chu ni ve chun 2 so chu na tele into 2 ne ki ba sa jong hi 4 chi lang hi 8 ni ta chu ale jong hi 8 na so ding al into 2 na achung lang into 2 LCM la nai lo na anu lang 8 ni ta achung lang su ya ta 2 plus 1 3 by 8 vela chun 2 wang 3 by 8 ni ta minimum value easy in empty le hilai vela chun 4 theta 6 theta ajo chu 2 to 4 ya to 4 to 6 theta oh paila 6 4 jong hi 3 by 8 ma ni ti cho theta equal to 45 degree a value put bola chun 1 by root 2 to the power 6 plus 1 by root 2 to the power 4 jete ni hi ulta pulta ga koi bo so na or plus a chu a value ki bang ti 3 by 8 dong 3 by 8 dong 3 by 8 vela chun a power to 4 to 6 a hi lai se in arrange su 3 by 8 to 1 na 4 to 2 hi lai se in arrange su 3 by 4 to 1 3 by 4 is minimum jela hin 3 by 8 is minimum oh 2 hin aba na hin azo chun 2m 2n itin na 2 hin a power hi 1 hetale a power 1 hetale na minimum a formula ipiting ham minus maximum adigin formula ipiting ham plus 10 yung so formula ahile hichito related question first question 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta which is minimum value equal to na a formula ni pi se yang minimum to minus root a square plus b square na minus root over a to 3 ta na 3 square plus 4 square 3 square to 9 plus 4 square to 16 9 plus 16 to 25 na minus 5 sila minimum value equal to na a to the power sin theta into 16 to 8 square sila na 8 square cos theta dele chun 16 to 8 square ka so ipiting ham del a base ka kiba sa ko a base a kiba ta ahile common kala ding a power 10 hi plus ka bot so aji enyam de line multiply plus si so ta na ako te minimum value si ipi hiding ham itiale amani minimum value to a power 8 power ki so ti a to the power minimum value of sin theta plus 2 cos theta ipiting ham na it's like a formula to minus root over a square plus b square is na it's a minimum value to minus root over sin adinga to a to 1 a square plus b square cos adinga b to 2 square to 4 na that means a to the power minus root 5 sorry ilaki kinamin na 8 square to 16 low so 8 into 2 to 16 low 8 square to 64 so na adi kay po in ano lang nakibasa ang ayos it nakibasa ating ham 8 to how can you express 2 cube to na 2 cube to 8 here kalang hila 2 to the power 4 to 16 so na Gaya dun, ano lang yung kibang, ABS kibang na na 8 to din sa shading 2 to the power 2 cube t theta kalang nila 16 to 2 to the power 4 na ku then lang hele ab comma na chun 2 na la ring la 3 sin theta plus 2 cos theta hichi minimum chi piding ham til minus root over a square 3 square to 9 plus 2 square to 4 na aile 9 plus 4 to 2 cubes 8 2 to the power 4 to 16 yes chi 4 na 4 is 4 square to 16 9 plus 16 so 25 na 25 root to 5 a to the power minus 5 aile sila hin azubazun kasai chu 2 to 2 common kala a power 10 ye mod plus ka bol na ju ipidinga ham kile a rule dung ju ye chun suppose anu ilang any number m theta na m to the power x inteng lang na into m to the power y ki kaitele m to the power x plus y tang multiply hi a hele a power 10 ni plus ki bowling hi charu na ni je chun lai tu ru e khat plus ki bowl hin ale chi maximum value ho ki tu ta a maximum to plus a hi le ki sai ta na that means plus of root over a square 8 square plus 15 square na ama sa chun Pythagorean triplet na sun na Pythagorean triplet na chun vela chun 3 4 5 triplet ka in 4 5 12 13 triplet ka in 6 8 10 triplet ka in 7 24 25 upon 8 15 17 triplet ka na a basic ahi in a table ahi le vela chun 8 15 17 the triplet ka lai vela chun 8 15 8 chu vela chun 8 chu biham tile perpendicular 15 chu biham tile 8 15 ale hypotenuse ja ding ta sidung ju ya hypotenuse 17 na 17 ahi le this like calculate yung 17 na mo to ahin la Pythagorean triplet hin na by heart na hi le apat so na biham tile calculate ngai lo ding na directly answer 8 15 hi le hypotenuse 17 hi ki heading ta there is the advantage of na by heart na Pythagorean triplet na by heart advantage ale so 8 square to 64 plus 15 square to 225 225 plus 64 is that mean 9 4 5 6 4 5 6 7 8 869 869 5 plus 4 9 6 7 8 689 so na 689 root over 689 chu ipiding na by heart lo ta hele line la ki 9 chu ep pia square thiam 3 square 9 here 7 square yang 49 9 la na letai la ali ti cho to 6 sanga from the square ipiam 4 chu na 4 chu ep square ham 2 square to 4 chu ahile 2 hi to digit khat kila di ti ne chu digit khat hi 3 I lo 7 hi ding na hoi jo la de ham ti le la 2 into 3 bole chun 6 ki bang ta na akiba ahile 20 5 9 is equal to 2 hin na 289 2 sang from no square to 1 tha na okay 1 into 2 to 2 hi jo 2 hi le 2 hi to 2 ki bang na ki ba hi le alin jo pan la that means 1 hi le lang 1 17 na sipai ve kit le hen minimum value i holding at a base 10 in ke ba sa phating la jo y bol ta na a to 2 cube chula na I let 2 cube sin theta into 16 to the power 4 cos theta na I let 2 le 2 common an la ding 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta na 2 hin hichi la a power pen hi a minimum value na wal a value to 2 power hi ing ta na if hi the ding a chungrang hi khatwe ko pi chai ta ole ki ma an noi mang kining katin hichi a power pen minimum value ipiting ham maximum value na maximum value reading na plus it is na plus a square plus b square a square 3 square plus 4 square 3 square 9 4 4 16 that means 9 plus 16 to 25 so na root over 25 so is आता 5 na 5 eta that means minimum to maximum to the power 5 to the power 5 is anam 32 na I know that to the option of to the power 5 on le to the power 5 na tick ting to option of 32 ke pi le 32 pan tick ting hai abanin find the minimum value of na so minimum value of 10 square cot square minimum value is that thing a formula dung ju chun 10 square cot square ating at 2 root over ab itu na a to b to 1 1 gear ta 1 1 gear hi le 1 1 gear hi le root over 1 to 1 that means hi ating hin 2 ta na sec square cosec square that means reciprocal relationship sec to complementary na sec to cosec to complementary relationship aile complementary relationship na ding formula chi pi ham root a plus root b whole square cha ding hin root a plus root b whole square na a value 1 b value yang 1 so na ahile 1 plus 1 2 square to 4 na 2 plus 4 6 na abanahin sin square plus cos square to trigonometric identity masa penity na its value to 1 10 square plus cot square 2 root ab 1 1 gari hi jahin lai 2 itu lai 2 na 6 square plus cosec square to lai hin ab itu 4 itu aile minimum value ipita minimum to 4 plus 2 plus 1 to 7 na aban hin question ni value if a value to sin square plus cos 4 a power 10 even select ki wang kilo sin to cos am form le arrange ep tibta 3/4 chu neo pen intin alin pen chu 1 hiti hi na ai le chun option na hin arrange skip eta a hi alaya am na apo te level chun jiteni a to c hi probable option is greater than kiti alo le less than kiti hi ne thim na tabanga ki pe kiti ibi ki sei na ham less than or equal to ti ni azum lang hi 3 chu na that means 3 chu niaw jadi ti ne chu ibi sanga a sanga ale 2 to 3/4 less than or equal to a kiti na ale azum hi talang ki pitale 3/4 greater than or equal to a ta ki pele 3 hi a sanga lin jadi ti ni ahom amu lang ka han yaw jadi ti ni so ta ahom alit lang ka alin jadi ti that means 3 jadi jadi ti ahile hela hin a to ti hi value hi ali nyaw pen si alim pen si a value chu te ni ki ka ai ti ni so na ai lo le ti ahu pha chu 3/4 to 1 ahu pha le a chu hela ki ka am ti ni so na a ki ka am so ta ale 3/4 sanga lin the whereas a to 3/4 sanga lin ti ni so na ai lo le equal to like whereas 3/4 hi alin pen ki so 3/4 to 1 sanga nyaw do so na aku ti le ti pe ni option di lo by option di ta ra ale if a equal to sin 4 plus cos 6 na ale isa hin arrange ep um ti le 3/8 to 1 into 2 ila hin theta to 45 degrees puri bole minimum to mo na maximum to 1 degree ila yang in put theta ila yang in theta 45 degree mangin lang ila ite ni value hol le minimum value mo mo din na 3/8 to 1 there is an option la in kita kisun hi value chun 3/8 hi ali pen ti ne akam hom ali pen na tu di lo 3/8 ani open ti ne to 3/8 na pa na 1 chan ti lo 3/8 ani open hi le so option number c di ting hi ti ne tuni session chan nang ke hitin maximum and minimum topic suni in a site awin he thilo now da jo se ni dong link hi tin private inbox min bol hin chuban kit le comment box in post le chen ki man kan so pe ki the hin aban hin trigonometry chi china po in a last topic chi tham tile height and distance hin na chi very common topic ahin ssc ya ki dong jing ahin tile he na concept he na la pa ya pa isolve di na pa ta isolve ding na ni chi anamis po bitin next session le bol din je sun tuni session su chan tu na ta te ana follow zo sel na re su na sun 7 pe pa ku kan po